In 1947, a young Bedouin shepherd named Muhammad edh-dhib stumbled upon a hidden cave near Qumran while searching for a lost goat. Inside, he found clay jars filled with ancient scrolls wrapped in linen. What he had discovered would become one of the greatest archaeological revelations of the 20th century, the Dead Sea Scrolls. These parchment fragments, dating back over 2,000 years, contained early Jewish texts, biblical scriptures, and sectarian writings from a mysterious group known only as the Yahad. But what was buried deep in Cave 4 was different, something that scholars barely speak of. Even now, down the thousands of fragments cataloged, rumors emerged of several scrolls that vanished before they could be documented. Whispers spoke of a scroll called the Sons of Light and the Sons of Darkness, the final reckoning, said to contain a prophecy detailing a global war at the end of days, naming not just nations, but dates and celestial alignments. An archaeologist from the first team, Father Roland Deveau, reportedly copied its contents before it disappeared, but he died before ever publishing them. His personal notes, sealed by the École Biblique in Jerusalem, have never been released to the public. Years later, in the 1980s, a former Jordanian antiquities employee came forward claiming he had smuggled one of the missing scrolls through the West Bank during a period of intense political unrest. The scroll, he alleged, described a pre-human civilization destroyed by beings it called the Watchers, celestial entities banished to Earth. This text, known in fragments from the Book of Enoch, added a chilling detail. The Watchers had taught early humans forbidden knowledge, astronomy, metalwork, and the manipulation of fertility before being imprisoned beneath the Dead Sea. Shockingly, seismic surveys in the area have detected vast caverns beneath the salt bed, yet no excavation has ever been permitted. The twist shook the academic world when a leaked Vatican memo revealed that Cardinal Augustine Bey had briefed the Pope on the Dead Sea Scrolls in 1964, warning that full disclosure could undermine fundamental tenets of Christianity and Judaism alike. An attached translation fragment, authenticated by handwriting analysis, described the arrival of a teacher who would be rejected, crucified in return, but not as a man, rather as light made flesh, a being from beyond time. The fragment ends abruptly with a line scorched by fire. Scholars still argue whether it refers to Jesus or a being yet to come. Either way, the question lingers. What else lies buried in those hills, hidden in caves, waiting for someone to defy the silence?